How to find public playlists on Spotify. If you're trying to discover new music or follow playlists that others have made, Spotify makes it easy to find public playlists across all genres and moods. To begin, just open the Spotify app on your phone or desktop and tap the Search tab. From there, type in keywords based on what you're looking for. Once the results appear, scroll past the songs and albums until you see the playlist section. You can also find public playlists by visiting a user's profile directly. If you know their username or follow them, go to their profile and scroll down to see their public playlists. Anyone who has set their playlist to public will have them visible here, and you can follow them with one tap. Once you follow a playlist, it gets saved to your library under the playlist section, making it easy to access later. So whether you're looking for music to study, party, or just relax, public playlists offer a quick way to dive into something new. That's all for this video. Hope this helps. Thank you.